Hello everyone, welcome. Today's video is all about making use of my ground beef. I am gonna cook bitter melon with my home canned ground beef. So I have my ingredients here. I have the red bell pepper, the onions, the garlic, the black pepper, tomatoes, and shrimp paste. First off, I prepared my ingredients. I wash and clean the bitter melon and then cut and then remove the pit. After which I slice it thinly. So there you go. Removing the pit first by scraping the middle using the teaspoon. That is the easy way to remove the pits of the bitter melon. Bitter melon is in the family of melon, but it tastes bitter. So to neutralize the bitterness of the melon, I am going to use a lot of tomatoes and bell pepper, because the sweetness of the bell pepper and the acidity of the tomatoes will neutralize the bitterness of the watermelon. The bitter melon. And also, the onions, the sweetness of the onions helps neutralizes the bitterness of the bitter melon. So I'm preparing now my garlic, and then my onions is already sliced. The tomatoes also are sliced already. And then after this, I'm gonna prepare my pan. I'm using the Dutch oven. The versatility of Dutch oven is countless. I can use it with whatever I need. I'm using it for my making jams and jellies. I can use it frying and sauteing. So here I am opening the jar of ground beef, which I canned a few days ago, and then I also incorporate a teaspoon of the shrimp paste. Now shrimp paste is so salty, so I'm just gonna use a little amount of it just for flavor. So now I'm heating my Dutch oven, put a little bit of oil and the butter. So after that, I saute the onions and the garlic, and then also the tomatoes. So I'd like to extract all the acidity from the tomatoes, so I'm gonna saute it. Okay, after the garlic is already a little bit brown. So after sauteing the tomatoes, cooking it a little bit, extracting all the juice from the tomatoes, I then put black pepper, and then incorporate everything, mix everything, and then put the sliced bitter melon, and then once again saute it. It's like pan frying. So cooking everything and cooking the bitter melon with all the spices and the ingredients which I sauteed earlier. So there you go. And then the liquid because bitter melon is watery, so I don't put water in it, so it will extract its own juice. And then And then after a few minutes, I incorporate the ground beef, the canned ground beef, incorporate into the vegetable or the bitter melon, and then mix it again so that everything will be coated with the ground beef. So the flavor of the ground beef will be absorbed by the bitter melon. And then just, let it simmer for a few minutes until the bitter melon is cooked. And then now I'm also incorporating the shrimp pastes, and then mix it with all the vegetables and the spices and all the ingredients present in the saucepan or the Dutch oven. Then after that, I added the red bell pepper, and then just mix and cook for a little bit. I like my bell pepper crunchy, so I did not put it early. And then lastly, I put the eggs, 2 eggs that I beaten. That will add some more of the protein in the vegetables. So this is complete, I have the protein and the vegetables in here, and then this is good served with rice. So that's what I'm doing. So I scoop the vegetables in the plate, serve it with rice, and of course the meal is not complete without some kind of dessert. So instead of sweets like cake or cookies, I opted for slices of oranges. So here we go. My meal